Hello! In this video, we're going to show you how to program a battery roller shade. The programming should be pretty similar whether you have a handheld remote or a wireless wall switch. We'll be demonstrating the steps with both. Here are a few things to keep in mind before we get started. Prior to 2023, our motors had a programming button with an indicator light, a charging cable, and an antenna. In 2024, we started offering updated motors which look a little different. The charging port is integrated on the motor head. There's a programming hole and an indicator light right next to it. The only cable you'll see attached is the antenna. For programming, you'll need a paper clip on hand. A term we'll be using frequently is a jog, which is a brief up and down motion on the shade. Let's get started. Insert a paper clip into the programming port on the motor head and hold for approximately 15 seconds, or until the roller shade jogs 3 times, and then release. The indicator light should be on, not blinking. If you accidentally press and release prior to 3 jogs, the shade will seek its limit position. This is an error. Please restart the process. Now, we're going to take the wireless wall switch or the remote and select the channel to link by pressing the channel selector button. The LED indicator will illuminate the channel selected. Now, press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously until the shade jogs once. This means that the switch or the remote is now paired to the motor. Press up to move the shade to the desired upper limit position. Press and hold the my or stop and down buttons simultaneously until the shade starts to move. Then release and stop the shade at your desired location. The upper limit has been programmed. Now press and hold the my or stop and up buttons simultaneously until the shade starts to move. Then release. This means that the lower limit is now programmed. To confirm and complete the limit programming, press and hold the my or stop button until the shade jogs once. Find the red programming button located in the back of the remote, and on the wall switch, the programming port is located next to the up and down buttons. Insert the paper clip briefly and press. The shade will jog once to indicate it is in user mode, which means it's ready for the guests to use. Thanks for watching. We hope this was really helpful. We'll see you next time.